ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो आज हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 3 फ्रॉम वैल्यूज़ एंड डाटा टाइप। सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे स्टार्टिंग में कुछ ऐसा ज़्यादा है नहीं इंपॉर्टेंट जो कि एग्जाम में आ सकता है। लाइक यू नो द बेसिक थिंग्स दैट व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टर्स सेट इन character sets in Java, and then what it contains, like letters, digits, operators. Then under operators also there is three types of operators: arithmetical, logical and relational. Basically arithmetic operators help to do us arithmetic calculations like plus, minus, multiply, division or modulus. And logical operator helps to find out the logic. Like suppose if I write like we will use these kind of symbols in our if else statement ki if 9 greater than 6 and 9 greater than 5, print 9 is the greatest number. So at that time in such kind of program we will use and. In some programs we will use or, and in some programs we will use this not symbol, maybe for denoting not equal to. So that is also one of the logical operator. And the relational operator help us to identify the relation between two numbers, whether they are greater than the other, whether it is greater than equals to than the other. Means what is the relation, that is what we get from relational operator. Then we can see here Unicode. Unicode is basically a simple kind of standard encoding system which consists of several characters, like ranging from 0x0000 up to 0xFFFF. That means it can have a total storage of 16 bits code and can have 160755 characters in computer from 139 modern and historic scripts. So Unicode is basically a kind of a system which is created, and it can have so many codes within it, so many characters to write a computer language. So when we write any computer language like Java or Python with the help of Unicode, such kind of system which contains all the symbols and the characters is known as Unicode. Then you can learn the advantages and disadvantages. Like there are several things, it is universally accepted. Then there are several advantages. I hope you can just read it and find it out. Then comes the ASCII characters and codes. So basically these are the standard code for information interchange. That means we have taken certain values, like to represent 48 we say it's 0, to represent 49 it's 1, 52, 51 3. Like that we have taken some ASCII codes and the characters with which we represent these codes, then these codes and its characters and everything like that. So the ASCII code stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange, and it contains lesser number of characters than the Unicode. Okay, so it have a limited number ranging from 0 to 127. So basically these kind of codes are very important, because in some codes we will see that when we will write Java, sometimes we will use this ASCII codes to represent the values. Now you will be wondering that what will happen to 91 or 92. So they have some special characters to represent them. Okay, so we represent it either by 0 to 9, or from capital ABCD or from small ABCD. Okay, then comes some sequence like escape sequences. Suppose we do not want to write several lines, like we write print ln, right? Suppose we want to print 3 to 4 sentences. So every time I want to print something, I have to write system.out.print, राइट. मीन्स जब हम लोग एक कोड किए थे तो उसमें हम लोग देखे थे कि हम लोग को सिस्टम डॉट आउट डॉट प्रिंट लिखना पड़ता है जब भी हमको किसी चीज़ को प्रिंट करवाना है. सिमिलरली अगर मान लीजिए कि हमको 5 चीज़ों को प्रिंट कराना है तो हमको 5 बार सिस्टम डॉट आउट डॉट प्रिंट लिखना पड़ेगा. बट दैट्स नॉट ऑलवेज नेसेसरी. वी कैन यूज सर्टेन एस्केप सीक्वेंसेज टू एस्केप फ्रॉम द झंझट ऑफ राइटिंग सो मेनी सिस्टम डॉट आउट डॉट प्रिंट. So how we can use it? Like we have to use it within double inverted commas and using the certain symbols which is assigned to Java to do certain work in the character. Like there are escape sequences and the non-graphic characters as well. Basically where we can use these things, and what does that mean, what is its name, that is non-graphic character. So /n or \n, this character is used for new line feed. We do not have to write system.out.print again and again. Suppose if I want to write that name is Ayush, age is 14 years and class is 9. So I do not have to write 3 times system.out.print name Ayush, system.out.print age 14, system.out.print class 9. Instead doing that, I can write name Ayush, and in the same system.out.print ln code or method, we will use /n within single inverted commas, like the entire name part, the first statement including /n will be in one single inverted comma, then the plus for the concatenation symbol just to print it, then means to add it, this sentence should be added with this, so for that reason we use plus. Here we do not use plus for concatenation purpose. When there are multiple lines, we just want to add this particular line with this particular line. Okay, age 14 years plus age 9. So whenever you are writing /n, it should be, that entire statement should be within /n. Obviously the statement will not be like this when we are using suppose a is one number, b is one number, c is equal to a plus b. So obviously in that case we have to write sum equals to plus c /n, and the plus c will not be in single inverted comma. So only the sum will be in inverted comma, and then the inverted comma will be closed, and after that only in the /n we will use inverted commas again at that particular time. So it will be like this: first number plus a, this is for concatenation, this first plus, and the second plus is to add this first number with this second number, means basically with this first number with the /n character, and this plus is for the second number to add this particular statement with the second number, and then this plus is for concatenation of the value of b again. Then we use /t for the next purpose, like if we want to have a gap of 8 spaces between two numbers. Suppose I want to write first number, and without going to the second line, after 8 spaces I want to write the second number, then I will use /t in between with double inverted commas. So what will happen, the first number will be printed, and then after 8 spaces second number will be printed, not in the next line. Now in the same situation, if we have used /n, the the answer would be first number 4, second number 5, next to next, like in the next line, but here we use 8 spaces in between. Then comes /double quotes, \double quotes. It is used with system.out.print like this, like /welcome to / then again computer. So this welcome to will be printed, and after that when we are using these two symbols, it basically means that the word computer will come inside double inverted commas. So whenever we want to bring any particular word inside double inverted commas, we use this particular symbol. So this entire double inverted comma is to print this entire line, but this particular statement like / double inverted comma open and close will do the work of putting double inverted comma over the word computer. Then similarly, if we use double slash, okay, within single double inverted commas, it basically means that the selected candidate is, and the word Suman Avasthi will be inside this backslashes. So the first backslash is for giving the computer the character that okay, the next backslash will be printed, and this inverted comma just to show that this is a tag which should be present. तो मतलब एक बैक स्लैश का काम है कि सेकंड बैक स्लैश को प्रिंट करवाना उस वर्ड से पहले. अगर हम लोग यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक बैक स्लैश दिए रहते तो ये जो सुमन अवस्थी जो है ये सिर्फ ओपन इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में रहता, बट वी डू नॉट वांट इट टू जस्ट बी इन डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा, बट वी वांट इट टू बी इनसाइड द बैक स्लैशेस. सो वी यूज 2 बैक स्लैशेस एंड विद इन डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमास. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जब हम लोग को डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमास चाहिए था तो हम लोग पूरे स्लैश को डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में नहीं लिख रहे थे, सिर्फ एक स्लैश के बाद में लिख रहे थे. ठीक है, देन कम बैकस्लैश सिंगल कोट्स. सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे क्या है कि जब हमको डबल कोट्स में नहीं लिखना है, सिंगल कोट्स में लिखना है. तो सिमिलर लाइक दिस, जो इसका काम है वही सिमिलर काम इसका भी है, पर यहाँ पे डबल कोट्स आता है, यहाँ पे सिंगल कोट्स आता है. तो सिंगल कोट्स में भी लाइक सिमिलरली एक बैक स्लैश के बाद एक सिंगल इन्वर्टेड कोट एंड दूसरे के बाद दूसरे सिंगल इन्वर्टेड कोट एंड देन एज वी वांट दिस टॉप रैंकिंग स्टूडेंट इज एंड देन दिस प्लस टू ऐड दिस विथ दिस एंड देन वी वांट दिस पर्टिकुलर टैग टू बी प्रोग्राम्ड बाय द जावा। सो यहाँ पे हम लोग प्लस यूज़ किए, ये पूरा ओपन इन्वर्टेड कॉमा क्लोज इन्वर्टेड कॉमा प्लस इसको इससे ऐड कर देगा, और ये जो स्लैश का प्रोग्रामिंग है इसको भी हम लोग क्या किए हैं, डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमास के अंदर दिए हैं। तो ये जो स्लैश और ये है, ये इसका जावा में मतलब ये है कि सिर्फ सिंगल इन्वर्टेड कोट ही प्रिंट करेगा, बैक स्लैश हट जाएगा। तो जब ये प्रिंट होके आएगा तो ये ऐसा आएगा कि स्लैश हट जाएगा और हम लोग ये इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स के अंदर जो ये अमित श्रीवास्तव दिए हैं ये प्रिंट हो जाएगा। So I hope you understood all these escape sequence and the non-graphic characters and whatever Unicode and ASCII codes. Then in the next video of the playlist, we will start with the token and the other variable and the data types. I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends. Thank you.